The aim of the video is to give you, the parent, all the required knowledge and expertise so that you can be the therapist for your child. Matching shapes. Shape identification and recognition play an integral part in the child's perception of the environment. Start with basic shapes like square, circle and star, which your child can identify easily. Start by asking to match these three shapes initially and reinforcing the correct responses with good job and high five. If your child struggles with matching the shapes, use hand-on-hand technique to assist and complete the task. Ask the child to match the shapes to the object cards and try to identify shapes in the environment. Second level of shapes include triangle, oval, heart, hexagon and plus sign. This sums up Match and Learn Kit.